Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for tuning into Heated History. Today we will cover AI or artificial intelligence. Please enjoy and do not forget to smash the like button.
What is it and why does it matter?
Have you ever wondered how your phone suggests the perfect song or how a robot can beat a chess grandmaster? That's the magic of artificial intelligence, or AI, a field that's transforming our world. AI is the intelligence demonstrated by machines, as opposed to the natural intelligence of humans and animals. It involves creating systems that can perceive their environment, reason, learn from experience, and take actions to achieve goals. From ancient myths of mechanical beings to today's smart assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI aims to mimic human cognition in tasks like problem solving, speech recognition, and decision making. But it's not just sci-fi, it's real, powering everything from Netflix recommendations to medical diagnoses. Let's dive into this exciting journey.
The roots of AI, from ancient ideas to modern birth.
Picture this. Thousands of years ago, ancient philosophers dreamed of creating lifelike automatons. Fast forward to the 20th century, when mathematician Alan Turing posed a groundbreaking question in 1950. Can machines think? His Turing test challenged whether a computer could converse indistinguishably from a human. This sparked the formal birth of AI in 1956 at the Dartmouth Workshop, where pioneers like John McCarthy and Marvin Minsky gathered to explore machines that could simulate intelligence. The 1960s brought early successes, programs that played checkers, solved math problems, and even spoke English. But hype led to disappointment. Predictions like Herbert Simon's 1965 claim that machines would do any human work within 20 years fell short, triggering the first AI winter in 1974 due to funding cuts. The 1980s revived hope with expert systems, software mimicking human experts, that boomed into a billion-dollar industry. Yet, another winter hit in 1987 after market crashes. AI's reputation rebounded in the late 1990s with formal methods and data-driven approaches. The real explosion came in 2012, when deep learning, fueled by powerful GPUs and big data, outperformed older techniques. Milestones include IBM's Deep Blue defeating chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1997, Watson winning Jeopardy in 2011, and AlphaGo beating Go master Lee Sedol in 2016. By 2017, Transformers revolutionized language models, and the 2020s AI boom saw ChatGPT gain 100 million users in months. Key figures like Geoffrey Hinton, Yann LeCun, and Demis Hassabis have driven these leaps, showing AI's cycles of optimism and resilience.
Exploring AI's building blocks. Subfields that power the future.
At its core, AI is a toolkit of subfields, each tackling different aspects of intelligence. Machine learning, or ML, is the star. Algorithms that learn from data without explicit programming. It includes supervised learning with labeled examples, unsupervised for spotting patterns, and reinforcement learning, where systems improve through rewards, like training a virtual agent to play games. Neural networks, inspired by the human brain, are interconnected nodes that process information in layers. Deep learning uses multi-layered networks for complex tasks like image recognition. Think convolutional neural networks, CNNs, for photos, or recurrent ones, RNNs, for sequences like speech. Robotics brings AI into the physical world, enabling machines to sense, plan, and act. From industrial arms assembling cars to humanoid robots like those exploring emotions in the 1990s Kismet project. Natural language processing, or NLP, lets AI understand and generate human language. By 2023, models like GPT scored human level on exams. Other areas include computer vision for interpreting visuals and effective computing for detecting emotions. These subfields aren't isolated. They combine to create versatile systems, pushing toward artificial general intelligence, or AGI, where machines could handle any intellectual task a human can.
Revolutionizing industries in daily life.
Now, let's see AI at work. It's everywhere. In healthcare, Tools like AlphaFold predict protein structures in minutes, accelerating drug discovery. In 2023, AI found new antibiotics and sped up Parkinson's research, slashing costs and time. Gaming showcases AI's prowess, from Deep Blue's chess win to AlphaGo's Go mastery, and now agents like Seema navigating open-world games autonomously. Finance uses AI for investment advice, fraud detection, and robo-advisors, though it raises job concerns. The military deploys AI in drones and command systems, seen in conflicts from Iraq to Ukraine. Generative AI creates content, text, images, videos, with tools like ChatGPT and DALL-E, transforming entertainment, education, and art. In agriculture, AI monitors crops and detects pests. In astronomy, it discovers exoplanets. And in disaster response, it analyzes evacuations. Even in personal life, AI powers menstruation trackers and virtual companions. But remember, these applications rely on massive data and energy, highlighting the need for sustainable growth.
The double-edged sword, ethics, risks, and philosophical questions.
AI's power comes with profound responsibilities. Ethically, biases in data can lead to unfair outcomes, like facial recognition errors, ignoring evidence. Privacy worries arise from training models on personal data without consent. Experts like Gary Marcus call for transparency, compensation, and a federal AI agency akin to the FDA. Risks include job displacement, misuse in deepfakes, e.g., non-consensual pornography, and unreliable systems causing accidents, as in self-driving cars. Broader dangers? Existential risks if superintelligent AI misaligns with human values, a concern voiced by figures like Elon Musk and Stephen Hawking. Philosophically, AI challenges what it means to think. Turing shifted focus to behavior over inner processes. Debates on robot rights, anthropomorphizing chatbots, and AI's limits in reasoning persist. Yet, with regulation, AI can amplify human potential, not replace it. Balancing innovation with safeguards is key to a bright future.
AI's promising horizon and your role in it.
As we wrap up, AI's future gleams with possibility. From AGI unlocking new discoveries to ethical AI enhancing lives globally. We're in an era where transformers and large language models evolve rapidly, but challenges like energy demands and societal impacts loom. What excites you most? Whether it's curing diseases or exploring space, AI invites us all to participate, learn, question, and innovate responsibly. Thanks for joining this adventure into AI. If you liked this explanation and want to learn more, please do not forget to like and subscribe.